Hello peeps, it's Ollie Francis. Now today I'm doing a clip about my cat Winter, terrified of this dog toy. Now of course it's not a real pig, so you'll see my hand in it like doing this. But it doesn't really matter because yeah. Okay. Right now she's over there and now the pig is looking towards her. The pig is looking for where she went. And we can't see her. There she is. Where did she go? She's right there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And the pig says he's sorry. I don't know why you're scared of me. I'm just a dog toy. Well, maybe because you have dog sense. Oh yeah. Did you see that? She just jumped up. She's terrified of me. Oh no. Winter. Okay. That's all for today. Bye.